In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change gadgets here in Brawl Stars. Before we dive into this though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. First, obviously make sure that you get into Brawl Stars, and after doing so, make sure that you pick a brawler that has more than one gadget unlocked. Obviously, if you only have one gadget, you are stuck with it by default, but if you do have two, simply go ahead and click on the brawler option, select it, and you will see a bunch of other gadgets on the side that you'll be able to select. So as you can see, I could switch between fast forward and clay pigeons if I would like. This is all based off of the brawler screen, so obviously make sure you're on this page, and then once again, simply go ahead and select it right here. After selecting it, it'll automatically be equipped as long as you have it unlocked. It's super simple. Before every single match, you're able to go ahead and change a gadget that best fits your playstyle and strategy for that match. But I hope this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.